Anticipation is high among Samsung enthusiasts and critics alike for the imminent launch of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the tech giant's 2024 flagship Android phone. Leaks teasing numerous improvements in the device have started to surface, giving eager followers a glimpse into what Samsung has in store. The most recent leak showcases the camera module of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, allegedly leaked from a manufacturing facility. The image displays a cluster of these modules with accompanying details like a description, part number, and other pertinent information. Notably, speculations point towards a significant camera upgrade for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to leaked specifications, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to boast an impressive camera setup, including a whopping 200-megapixel primary sensor alongside a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor. The purported zoom sensor aims to deliver optical zoom capabilities at 2x, 3x, 5x, and 10x levels, hinting at substantial enhancements in photography. As Samsung's flagship camera contender for the upcoming year, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is predicted to outshine its predecessors and possibly even other devices within Samsung's lineup. Notably, there's speculation that Samsung's foldable flagship devices might not match the camera prowess of the S24 Ultra, as the company has yet to elevate the cameras on its foldable flagships to this extent. With the supposed unveiling scheduled for January 17, 2024, in San Jose, California, the buzz surrounding the Galaxy S24 series is expected to intensify as more leaks and details surface in the lead-up to the official launch. Fans and tech enthusiasts eagerly await further revelations, expecting Samsung's latest flagship to set new benchmarks in smartphone photography. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.